Okay guys, girls, what we've got here today is we're going to be attaching the Givi tank lock, okay, the Givi tank lock onto the tank of a GS 1200 or a GSA 1200. So you need to get that, and it's for our Extreme 20 Givi bag. Now this is a great bag. It's got the pockets on each side, pocket on the front. That sleeves off and you can use it like a bum bag. Inside it's got a rain cover for it. It's got the old clear plastic map section for those that don't like using GPSs, me, because I'm old school. And that's what it looks like underneath. All right, so this needs to attach to the tank lock on the tank. All right, so it comes like that, and then we attach the locking system onto the tank. So we'll put that on and show you how it works. I carry one of these, so I've got my full camera in here. I keep all my wallets and all my personals on myself. Okay, if you ever get detached from your bike or anything like that, you've got them on you. But in here I can put little bits of cutlery, knives, you know, cleaning lenses, a couple of spare contact lenses. Nothing too heavy, but just stuff that you can get to quite easily. So I'll often put my toilet paper in here. That's if you can find any in the world at the moment. But yeah, so just simple things that you want to get at, and you don't want to undo your whole bag. It's right there in front of you and it's easy. I do often carry a map in here, a paper map, because I use the GPS occasionally, but I tend to plan it all in my mind and use my phone. But I'll also carry some hammer maps in Australia, which are just fantastic. You can get all that online, put it on your phone or your computer. But again, I like the paper version as well. All right, so we're going to show you how to attach all this onto the box. So when you undo the box for the Givi tank lock, all right, this is what you get. Little mounting plate with a screw in there, little mounting plate. This is what's going to go down into the recess of your tank. And of course, instructions. Now of course, it is per bike, so you've got to be very careful. As we said, we're going to put this on a GS Adventure. So this is for a 1200 GS 09 to 2012 model, or a GS Adventure, an 08 model to 2013. Then you might have an R1200R 2011 to 2014, or a BMW S1000RR 2012 to 14, as you can see on there. So when you order it, really check you order the right one for your bike. I've made the mistake before. Also, when I sold my last bike, I left all the tank lock on the bike, so I've had to buy it all again. Crazy, eh? Anyway, it happens. It's not the end of the world. So let's go and put all this on the bike. Welcome to Adventures. We're going to put this tank lock on here. First thing we're going to do, of course, is open up the tank. Now in here we've got the screws, but what we want to do is we want to cover that up with some tape, because we don't want to have any little screws falling in there, do we? So I've got a bit of tape here. We'll cover that hole up, and that should make it all safe and sound, so nothing falls in. So we'll cover that up like so. Okay, nothing's going to go in there. And as I go, I'll just undo the tape. So just here, guys, this is the original cap. All right, there's the cap. And we're just going to undo that little clip here, and then just gently screwdriver that up, and that will just lift out. And then the original cap will be like so. So then that one there you go. So that's the old one, and that's the original sort of flange. So now we're going to attach the new section onto the tank. This one, all right. I don't really know if it's any different, to be honest, but I'm sure it is. And we'll just follow the instructions and we'll attach that. All right, so I'll just show you how. This is the the extra kit here with the little bar and the screws and this. Now I'll show you why it's different, because it is actually different to the original. So this is going to be the new flange we're putting onto the tank. Now that piece does not sit there, okay? So the new flange, little unit, sits here like so, just like that. So this is going to screw into this section here, all right? And will of course be sitting up like that with that bar sitting in there like so internally, all right? That'll be in there. So we'll just do that now. Bit of a tricky bit now. To get this bar out of here, this bar, we're going to undo these 4 screws. Okay, so we'll do that. Don't lose those things. That's the locking plate. So when you lift that, there is some springs. There's the 2 springs here and here, and then you got these 2 bars. So here's your little post. Pull your little post out and put the new bar along here, like so. Yep, that's all good. All right. Yep, that's working again. Yeah. The instructions. The cap now is going to go under here. So that serves me right. That will now go into the tank. Where it was there. Press that in nice and tight. And then we'll just attach the 4 screws. All right, all done. So there you go, guys. The Givi tank bag strap is here. It goes around the handlebars, and now you can see the bag on the bike. Beautiful. Sits on there quite firm. Well done, all done. Awesome stuff.